What's up, guys? Today a little video on how to change this Spotalen watch. It's been quite a few years since I did a video, and the analog hand, it's just not working no more. So I opened it up. To my surprise, there's two batteries. So this is the original one. It's a CR 2025, and this happens to be a CR 2032, which I have on hand. And this one here is basically the same as this. The only difference is one is thicker, one is thinner. So to get around that, they have this tiny little piece, get this in focus, right down here on this. So all I did is I pulled that out and I used a little piece of aluminum foil, fold it, and I put it right in the center. And then I dropped in the CR 2032 battery, and the positive side goes up, and then I put this on, and it works, but that's not the battery, that's dead. So if you don't have any of these CR 2025 batteries, you can in fact use a 2032. With that said, let's move on to removing the other battery. All right, so right down here, you can see a little bracket. There is a little lip over here, piece of metal, and you can see I just pushed that to the side. That popped out, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna remove this battery. I'm gonna try and do it on camera. All right, so there you go. You got that out. And the trick to that was push down on the back, don't pick at it. That looks like a SR626 SW. So that battery converts over to a 377. All right, so all we're gonna do is drop that battery down there. This is the new one. A little bit of a spring to it. It's going to snap down there like so. And then since the CR 2025 is still good, we're just going to go ahead and put that one back in. I'm assuming, you know, the Swole watches that were out there and the Infantry and even one on Amazon now they're selling is probably going to be the same way. So anyway, this just goes back down, fits over, and we should be back up and running. All right, so once you got that little tiny screw in there, we'll turn this around and you can see the digital is working and also the sweeping hand is working. The way it read, I was assuming it was the bigger battery, but the bigger battery is for the digital. With that said, if you want that little battery to last longer on any watch, just pull that out and it'll last longer. The reason that this battery is thicker, it has a little bit more milliamps. It's something like 220 versus, I don't know, 100 and something. And for anyone wondering how to pop that off, just take a knife and just get it under there, pop it off. To put it on, seat it, and then take a piece of wood or something and use your body pressure to push down on it, and it'll snap back on, and it takes a lot of force.